Okay, in this problem, the, given a triangle ABC where M is the midpoint of AB, the line segments CM and MB represent vectors P and Q. Let me give vector signs P and Q. See, CM is vector P, that technically means from C to M it's vector P and M to B it's vector Q. Okay, express each of the following directed line segments in terms of P, Q. Okay, line segments means you can also express it like this. For example, so let's write solution. Okay, so let's draw the triangle first. This is most important thing. The diagrams are most important. A, so any triangle, so you can draw any triangle. Okay, so that's A, B and C, and M is the midpoint. Okay, so M is the midpoint of AB, so this is M. Okay, now let's take a different color. Now vector, given it's the line segment CM. Okay, no, take yellow. CM is vector P and MB. MB is vector Q. So as far as this is concerned, CM. So let me draw. So from C to M, right? So this is vector. So CM is vector P and MB. So MB is vector Q. So from M to B. So again. So M to B. So this is Q. Okay. Now the thing is M to B it's vector Q. Let me write it a little closer. And yeah. And we need to express each of these, right? That means first take CB. So CM is, this is the initial situation, and from these we need to express. So what CB means? CB. So CB. So you can write it like this, that's CM plus MB, right? So what's CM? So that's P, and what's MB? So that's Q. Okay. Then so this is 1. Number 2. Number 2 is AM. AM. I'm giving vector sign, means from A to M. AM means AM. So what you can do is, see, AM is basically CM, or rather you don't need CM. AM is basically MB. Why? Because it's M is the midpoint and AM and MB are collinear, right? So that's Q. Rule is, if you shift a vector keeping it parallel to itself or along the line of the vector doesn't change. So it's Q. You go to my notes, you will get it. Go through the 9 lectures I have given. All the lectures are basically technical lectures, so they're made for IIT-JEE. You need to clear the concepts first. Anyway, what is AM? MA. So MA is minus A of M, right? Naturally, M to A is basically minus AM. So that's minus Q. Okay, then 4 is AB, right? AB, what is AB? A to B. So A to B is basically twice of MB. so that's twice q. Okay, then 5 ca. Ca means cm plus ma, right? So what is cm? Cm is already given, so that's p. And what is ma? Ma is minus q from 3. So minus q. So it's p minus q. Okay? So that's it. Thank you.